truck,
Fire
fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck, fire truck. Hey, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck.
Hey, they're good at that.
I wanna sleep in the fire station. Wake me up when the fire bell rings. I'm gonna put on my hat, put on my coat,
We're on a
put
fire
on
truck.
my boots. I'm gonna slide down the pole. Then I'm gonna get into my fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. I have a hook and ladder, a hook and ladder. I climb that ladder and I hold on tight. I'm gonna get out the hose and I'm gonna shoot that water, shoot that water. I'm gonna shoot that water from the hose on my, help me, fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. When that fire truck comes near, people put their hands right over their ears. They do that because the noise is so loud from the siren on my, help me again, fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. Hey! When that fire is all put out, I'm gonna jump into my fire truck and turn it around. I'm gonna go back to the fire station. I'm gonna have a hot, hot bath, a hot, hot dinner with hot, hot food like hot, hot chicken, hot, hot mac.